Hello, everybody. Jenny, can you sit back a little bit?
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be reading this book to you. It's called Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, Can Moo, Can You Too?
Bye.
By Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss Book of Wonderful Noises.
Noises.
And this is the first part. And I'm going to turn the page. It says, "Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. He can go like a cow. He can go moo moo. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you?" He can go like a bee. Mr. Brown can buzz. How about you? Can you go buzz buzz? He can go like a
Cork.
cork. Pop, 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 pop. He can go like horse feet. Clop, clop, clop.
Awesome.
He can go eek eek like a squeaky show. He can go like a rooster, cock a doodle doo. He can go like an owl, hoo 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 hoo. Eek 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 eek, cock a doodle doo. Hoo 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 hoo. How about you? He can go like a rain. The rain. Dibble, 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 dop. Dibble, 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 dop, dop, dop. He can go like a train. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Moo, moo, buzz, buzz, pop, 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 eek, eek, hoo, hoo, clop, 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 dibble, dibble, dop, cock a doodle doo. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? Choo, 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 choo. Okay. Mr. Brown can whisper, 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 very soft, very high, like a soft, soft whisper of a butterfly. Maybe you can too. I think you aloud
Ought.
to try. He can go like a horn, blurp, 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 like a big cat drinking. Slurp, slurp, slurp. Okay. He can go like a clock. He can tick-tock. He can talk. He can go like a hand on a door. Knock, knock. Tick-tock. Tick-tock. Knock, knock. Knock. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Blurp, blurp, slurp, slurp. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Knock, knock, knock. And hoo. He can even sizzle, sizzle. He can do that too, like an egg in a frying pan. How about you? Mr. Brown is smart. He as smarter as they come. He can do a hippopotamus chewing gum. Grum, 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 grum. The other page. Mr. Brown is so smart. He can even do this. He can even make a noise like a goldfish kiss. Pip. Boom, boom, boom. Mr. Brown is a wonder. Boom, boom, boom. Mr. Brown makes thunder. He makes
Lightning.
lightning. Splat, splat, splat. And it's very, very hard to make a noise like that. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Moo, moo, buzz, buzz, pop, pop, pop. Eek, eek, hoo, hoo. Clop, clop, clop. Dibble, dibble, dop, dop. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Grum, 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 grum. Choo, choo, choo. Boom, boom. Slat, slat.
Splat.
Splat, splat,
Splat.
splat,
Splat.
splat, splat. Tick, tick, tock. Sizzle, sizzle. Blurp, blurp. Knock, knock, knock. A slurp and a whisper and a fish kiss too. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? It's the end of the story. So, this was about Mr. Brown, and I know it was really funny because it had all of the things noise, and he did all of the noise stuff. Like, it's really funny, and I like how the story is, and I love it. I like reading it to you guys because it's really good, and I hope you like this book because it's really funny and it's Dr. Seuss.
Yes, and if you like it, you should buy it and you should read it to your friends and your family and read it for yourself.
Yes, and it's really funny, and I just love how it sounds and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's a really great book, and I think you did a great job reading it, Jenna, and I'm sure everyone appreciates it, and they want to watch more of you reading more of your books to them.
I will.
Okay, thank you for tuning in. We'll see you guys on the next Storytime video.